a restaurant menu, just go to dbook.in or dbook.co.in. Scroll down. You could choose either 3. Today we are creating a menu in the for the restaurant, and you can create QR, submit. Okay, after you create a location, you need to have to sign up. This is mandatory, otherwise how would you update your menu? Hit submit. And it will take you to this logged in screen, and you can click on, this is the name of the restaurant that we have given. You can click on this and you see create or edit menu. Go there. Okay, let's say in your menu, if we have multiple categories, for example, we'll do create category. We will have starter. Okay, and we have another category, main course. For simplicity, I'm just using 3 categories. Desserts. Okay, I'm done with my category section. Now I'll create a new item. We'll do starters. Starter, I will have let's say tomato soup. We'll put $12.95. This is you can choose either if it's a vegetarian or non-vegetarian. You can choose vegetarian. It's a dessert. It's a starter. If you want to add more description to your customers, you could put it here. Description for the tomato soup. Okay, once I'm done, I can hit save menu. And also you have an option to upload your logo here. So the thing is, if you upload the logo here, it will show up on the QR code. I will show you that in a minute. Okay, I have done uploading the logo. You don't have to hit save again. And now if I wanted to create another item, all I have to do is just click on add item. Now what I will do is I will create a main course. Okay, hit save menu. So now our menu is saved, and go back, click on your restaurant and see how it says print menu QR. This is different. This is for another video. This one, print menu QR. When you click on this one, you will see your menu here. And this is the logo we uploaded before. So this one, you can just print it. It's optimized for printing. If you print it, it will show up as a whole white paper. Let me show you. Control P. And now see how there is no background. You could just print it, or either that, or you could. Most of the computers have save as PDF option. You could either save as a PDF and print it elsewhere. If you have a printer, you could just print it right there. It has like 4 QR codes. You can cut it and put it anywhere you want at your restaurant. So once the user scans this, he or she will see the menu. Okay, now you will see how the menu comes up on the devices. These are all items. By default, it will show all items. You can click on starters. There's only tomato soup there, and click on main course. This is the main course we have selected, and if you want to see all items, you can see all these items. The beauty about this is you can update it in real time. So let's say now it's $12.95. Now I want to change this $12.95 to $13.95. I'll hit save. Now go back to menu. I'll reload the page. See, you have $13.95.